Hey everyone here, welcome back to another fantastic video here on Voicemod. Today, I'm going to show you that adds your own music to Voicemod. As my previous videos are getting a lot of questions about this, I did make a video on this ages and ages ago, but YouTube moved it because I showed how to actually download the songs, which this time around, I'm not going to show you how to download the songs because YouTube will just remove my video. So when you put up Voicemod, or first time you're on Voicemod, you come up to your Voicemod sections where you can choose your voice, where you want to be. So from here, you want to go to Soundboards, right here at the top. And then from here, then you get all the default soundboards, which we don't want. So what we want to do is to create a new soundboard playlist, which says add the little plus. Add this little plus will create a new soundboard. We'll call this one songs, because we'll be adding songs. And then from here, then you're going to click on browse files. Actually, that's pretty much the way you can actually do it. Yeah, you click on browse files, and then you want to go to your place where you got your songs saved and download your songs. Like at the moment, I got these two songs downloaded, same song, but with the example, I'm gonna just click it anyway. So that's where add multiple songs. You got as many songs you want, then you click open. Once it's open, it will import the song straight into Voicemod from the once it's loaded up. Then you're able to click play. So obviously then you either pause it, on that kind of thing. If you actually know how to loop the song, what you do is to stop the song and click loop, and then the song and it will keep on looping when you click play next. And obviously, if you want to click any song you want in your playlist or in your soundboard, I guess, you just hit the sound, hit the music which you want. But yeah, that's pretty much how to add music into your soundboard section of Soundboard. And even if you set this up on your Xbox Party or your Skype or anything, and anything like that, then you should be deeply, everybody on your chat will be able to hear at the same time. Now, if you want to control the volume of the song, because it might feel a bit too loud, you can just turn it up and down by your own voice mod. Other than that, that's absolutely it. Goodbye for now, my guys.